is Moko Koza. I'm just dropping in, making this video, giving my big shout out to all the participants participating in the Veymynya Talent Quest. My best wishes goes out to all of you. Everyone is gifted, so we should make the best use of it. Once again, my best wishes and best of luck to everyone. God bless. Peace.
Of the superficial. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I got you, baby. Some people want.
Hi everyone. I take this honor to appreciate all the VLQ core team for taking an initiative to encourage and showcase the talent of old and young, and successfully completed the first season of VLQ. And to all the participants, your destiny is decided by how involved you are in each moment of your work. Live in present and give your best. Your dream will soon come into life. The road always seems long and tough in the beginning, but once you put your feet on the pedal, it becomes a journey that you will remember for a lifetime. My best wishes are with you all for the upcoming VLQ 2.0. Thank you.
We would like to wish all the participants of the Veymynya Talent Quest all the very best.
Whether you are a singer, writer, artist, a comedian, always do your best to shine. Good luck and may the best win.
Take care, stay safe.
Ciao.
Big shout out to VLQ 2.0 and good luck and best wishes to all the participants. You all got this. Prayers and good thoughts on your way. All the best. Thank you.
Vikas Usham here, Mr. National Universe 2019, and I'm giving all my best wishes to all the participants of Veymynya Talent Quest Season 2. So guys, go have fun, enjoy, and nail it. Once again, all the best to you guys.
Resonando no na na. No 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 na na. Put 'em up in the air. No na na na. Like this, so na na na. No na no.
Hi everyone, this is Adalou Pao. A big shout out to Veymynya Talent Quest VLQ 2.0. Now my dear friends, this is a great opportunity for you to unleash the best in you. Make use of this platform to unleash and showcase your talent, your hard work and your dedication. I wish you all the very best and stay safe.
Where were you when I was alone at a battle? You were not there, but now you were here. I don't know what's going on, stay put, cause I gotta move on.